Saudi Arabia's mega projects boost real estate sector. Saudi Arabia is rapidly transforming its real estate landscape with several mega projects like NEOM and the Red Sea project. These developments are attracting significant international investment, with real estate values in surrounding areas expected to rise as infrastructure and amenities are enhanced. Germany's affordable housing crisis. Germany is facing a growing challenge in its affordable housing sector, leading to increased investment in multifamily properties. Investors are targeting cities like Berlin and Munich, where demand for affordable housing is driving property values up. Spain's coastal real estate revival. The Spanish property market, especially along its coastal areas, is experiencing a revival. International buyers, particularly from the UK and Northern Europe, are investing heavily in vacation homes, driven by favorable exchange rates and a desire for second homes. Poland's commercial real estate boom. Poland is emerging as a hotspot for commercial real estate investment in Eastern Europe. Cities like Warsaw and Krakow are attracting multinational corporations, driving up demand for office space and boosting real estate values. India's growing residential market. India's real estate market is seeing robust growth, particularly in the residential sector. With urbanization on the rise, cities like Bangalore and Mumbai are witnessing a surge in property investments, supported by government incentives for affordable housing. Australia's luxury property market expands. Australia's luxury real estate market is expanding, with high-end properties in Sydney and Melbourne seeing increased demand from both domestic and international buyers. The country's stable economy and attractive lifestyle are key drivers behind this trend. Portugal's Golden Visa program attracts investors. Portugal continues to draw real estate investors through its Golden Visa program, which grants residency to foreign buyers. The program has led to a surge in property investments in Lisbon and the Algarve, with demand for luxury properties particularly strong. South Africa's real estate investment opportunities. Despite economic challenges, South Africa's real estate market is offering unique investment opportunities, particularly in the commercial sector. Cities like Johannesburg and Cape Town are seeing increased interest from foreign investors looking to capitalize on lower property prices. Singapore's real estate resilience. Singapore's real estate market remains resilient, with strong demand for both residential and commercial properties. The city-state's stable political environment and strategic location continue to attract global investors. Mexico's growing appeal to North American investors. Mexico is becoming increasingly popular among North American investors, particularly in tourist destinations like Cancun and Playa del Carmen. The country's real estate market is benefiting from strong demand for vacation homes and investment properties. These updates provide a fresh perspective on global real estate investment opportunities, highlighting emerging trends and key markets that are attracting attention from investors worldwide.